How to back up your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how we can actually go ahead and back up our Shopify store. This could be very useful if we are just about to actually edit how our site looks like. We are just about to renovate our site, you could say, or maybe we want to mess with some code and we don't really want to like ruin everything. So in case things go wrong, we have a backup that we can use. So yeah, let's just go ahead and show you how to do so. So you will need to just go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and then from here, we can just go ahead and go to themes, online store themes, and then from here you will find the theme that you are currently using. What we need to do is just go ahead and click on the three dots right next to customize. So just go ahead and open this up, and now there are going to be two different methods to do so. The first one, which is going to be duplicating the one that we already have, so we can just go ahead and duplicate it this way. It's actually going to create exactly the same site that we already have, same code, same everything, really, design wise, code wise, everything, and it's just going to be created here. But you know, it's just going to be backed up within Shopify itself. So whenever you, for example, make a mistake within code or customization, you can always just go ahead and publish this one, which is just an exact duplicate of the one that we already have. Now, this could be all you actually need, but if you actually want it to be more secure about it and make sure that you always have it on you, then you can also do the second method, which is, again, just go to online store themes, click on the same three dots that we have, and instead of actually duplicating it this time, we actually want to download theme file. So just go ahead and click on download theme file, and it's just going to be sent to your email. So just go ahead and click on send email, and now it's actually going to be sent there. So I'm just going to open up my email that I just got, and I will show you what to do next. So you actually should get an email that looks a little something like this, and you would want to just go ahead and click on theme export, which is just going to automatically download it for us. And now we can just go ahead and save it to our computer, hard disk, wherever you want to actually save it. And then if we just want to use it again, we can always just now upload our theme. So how do we actually upload this file that we just downloaded, for example? So maybe later on we just want to revert back. We can just go to the themes library here and just click on add theme, and you will have the option to upload zip file. And you would want to just obviously add the file itself from the downloads or wherever. And you can just go ahead and click on upload file, and then from here it's just going to be uploaded for you, and we have our theme again, another duplicate. So this is two different ways to actually back up our Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.